ora, and welcome to the EPiC Diabetes Dashboard, brought to you by He Ako Hiringa. In this short video, we're going to explain how to use the EPiC dashboard. Once you have logged in and accessed EPiC through the He Ako Hiringa website, you will land on the demographics section of the dashboard. This shows your patients who have been dispensed glucose-lowering medicines by 4 demographic profiles: gender, age group, ethnicity, and deprivation. Here, you can also look at all patients in your practice, and those nationally. You can hover over any bar to see more specific data. For example, this prescriber has 29 female patients with diabetes. We can also compare your patients with diabetes to the rest of your patient population by selecting the Compare To drop-down menu and clicking All Your Patients. Here, your patients with diabetes are shown in blue, and your patients without diabetes are shown in red. This option is also available in the Your Practice and National Data tabs. Now onto the Current Treatments tab. This data story examines your patients who have been dispensed funded glucose-lowering medicines and compares with your practice or national data. In the comparison graph, if the bar is to the left of the middle axis, this means that fewer of your patients have been dispensed this medicine than the comparison group average. If the bar is to the right of the axis, this means that more of your patients have had this medicine dispensed. You can apply filters to the current treatments data to show medicines dispensed by gender, age group, deprivation, or ethnicity. Here, we have filtered the data by ethnicity. We can see that this prescriber's Māori patients have had 26% more metformin dispensed than that of the practice average. This is a prescribing behaviour that may require more exploration or reflection. We are now moving on to the Step Treatments tab. This data story describes the proportion of your patients dispensed 1, 2, or 3+ oral glucose-lowering medicines, and also the proportion dispensed insulin. Your patients are then compared to the national data. You can also view the Step Treatments data for all patients in your practice by selecting Your Practice here. Quintiles are a measure of deprivation, with quintile 1 representing the least deprived areas, and quintile 5 the most deprived. In this example, we can see that this prescriber's patients living in the least deprived areas of quintile 1 were less likely to have multiple medicines dispensed than those living in quintile 5, which is the most deprived area, where 1/3 of patients were dispensed 2 medicines. The EPiC dashboard offers you the opportunity to interact with, compare, and analyse your dispensing data with that of your peers. We hope you enjoy exploring EPiC, and we welcome your feedback as we design our upcoming dashboards. For further information or questions, please read our FAQ section or contact our team at akohiringa.co.nz.